We're at the new Creation Shop, which is our flagship merchandise location in the newly designed World Celebration here at EPCOT, part of our ongoing EPCOT transformation, and we're really excited. Creation Shop is a celebration of creativity. We want to celebrate the things that create connections between people, and of course, who's better to represent that than Mickey Mouse, who is the global ambassador of creativity across the Walt Disney Company. So as part of the larger EPCOT art program, we have several unique and beautiful original art pieces going into this shop. It's been a really awesome experience getting to work on these because it went from a digital art file to a full-on production hand-painted mural. It's super large, 30 feet long. It's vibrant, it's Mickey, he's in action. Another way that we're celebrating that theme of creativity is these beautiful, intricate, original art pieces that actually Florida Imagineers got to create themselves. It's been wonderful to watch how all of these Mickeys have come to life in such individual ways because the artists were all inspired by their own design style. Some people love working with metals, and that came through in their Mickey. And we have another artist who works with intricate beadwork, and that he's just done a gorgeous job of all these little details that glisten in the light from the new windows. One of my favorites is this really cheeky version of a topiary done as Mickey because the artist herself works on the topiaries here in the park at EPCOT. Watching as they reflect the environment and seeing how everything is vibing together, all of the colors, all of the beautiful natural sunlight, I think that our guests are going to walk into this space and be completely transported into this new future that's full of positivity, color, art, and creativity and inspiration.